G'day everyone, Nathan here at Glass for Classics. Now we get asked a lot how to actually fit the runners onto your new door glass. Now it's a pretty straightforward exercise. What we've got here, we've got the new runner, or the runners being powder coated, we've got the new glass, and we've got the setting tape. Now setting tape is what most of the major manufacturers use from the factory. It's only about $10 a metre, cheap as chips, and it is the best product to use. We do recommend not urethaning the glass onto the runner. So I'll give you a quick run through how to do this. Now we've already cut our setting tape to length. What we've gone and done, we've folded it in half all the way along so that it's pleated and it's got a fold right down the centre. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get some kerosene on a rag here. Now what the kerosene does is it reacts with the butyl that's in the setting tape. So it's going to lubricate this, but it's also going to cause it to become tacky. So what we're going to do, we're just going to sit this on the bottom, like so. And we're just going to wipe this exposed edge only. Don't wipe the bottom side because it will become very slippery. So you can see wiping it on, it's now just got a nice shiny glossy finish. Now with all our side glass, we do toughen glass, so you don't need to worry about it breaking or cracking. It's extremely durable. Now we're going to just sit the runner in place. We've got a rubber mallet. Nice and easy. As I said, you don't need to be overly careful because toughened glass is extremely durable. We're just going to work our way along, popping this on. And that's that done now. So this is going to start to swell slightly with the kerosene that's on it. So what we can go ahead and do, just got a nice sharp razor blade, we're just going to trim the excess off all the way along. Through here. Pull the excess off, we'll flip it over, trim the other side off. Now the key with this setting tape is it does need to be nice and snug. If you can push it on by hand without any resistance, then we need to send you a thicker setting tape, because this is going to end up tacking off and sticking to the glass, and if it's not tight enough, you'll pull the runner off the bottom when you wind it up and down. That's now waste, and your runner is now good to go for another 50 years or more to come. So if you've got any other questions, vent windows are a similar process. We'll do another video running through how to do the quarter vent windows. But if you need to pick up the phone, give us a call. Our number's 1300 442 000. All the best. See ya.